recording? Yep. Hi everyone, my name is Kip, and this is my new web YouTube series, and it's called Kip's Quick Tips with Kip. I'm Kip, and welcome to Quick Tips. I'll get that right yet, one of these days. So today's the second video in my new series, so it's pretty exciting. Today we're going to do, I'm going to go over a quick, where are we there? There we go. Some relay wiring. This is what's called a 5-pin relay, or otherwise called a Bosch relay, apparently. So, if you can just see that. There we go. Maybe the light's in the way. Too much sunlight coming in. It's a nice sunny day here. Before we get into the video, I do want to just thank, I had a comment on my last video, which is super, and they were pleased with the video, and I keep those positive comments coming. I really enjoy hearing from my fans. I did, however, receive another message from a viewer. I assume that he's a viewer. He was a little bit critical. Hair in my mouth. He was a little bit critical of my video, and I admit I was having some camera difficulties. We've got that all sorted out today, though. Let's keep things positive. I was having difficulty, and I don't need to be criticized for that. It was just and then he went on to explain how he's going to start a YouTube series and compete with me, and I thought that's very competitive. It's not a contest. And he's also kind of stealing my catchy rhyming name. I mean, he's not stealing, but his name is Ike Black. Ike Black's Life Hacks with Ike Black. You can say that one pretty well. Can't do my own, though. Okay. Anyway, so Ike Black, go fuck yourself, and let's get on with the video. Okay. I'd like to set this up here somewhere where we can have a good look at this relay. Where is it? There we go. So I've got a couple of pairs of pliers here. We can set up like this. Or maybe okay. There. Can you? Whoops. Phone's a little slippery today. There we go. Okay. So just a quick video on relay wiring. I've got a wiring diagram here in front of me, and I'll show you. It's right here on the paper. I'll show you that in a minute. But first of all, see that? Get this camera set up. It's slippery today. She's a slippery bugger. All right, there we go. So what you want to do, you can see on the relay here, this is a number 30. So that is your blue wire. And 30 is usually, it's called the high power feed. You can see, where are we here? There we, can you see that okay? So there's 30, that's the high power feed. That's the blue wire. Right next to it there is 85 and 86. Now those two can be at ground, and your trigger wire. So, and that's the green one and the black one. So you could run the black to the ground. Can you see that okay? It's just not focusing properly. Okay, there. Is that better? See, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Before we get back to the video here, this whole Ike Black's Life Hacks with Ike Black thing is really getting to me, and it's just plain hurtful is what it is. And I appreciate all the positive comments and feedback that I'm getting. I'm doing my best here, and I feel it's not constructive. So you know, if you have anything constructive to say, that's great. I love to hear it. But I feel it was hurtful, and it was purposely hurtful, and that hurts even more. Okay, so let's get back to the video. We'll set the camera up. I don't know if maybe I should get a stand for this camera. Okay, there we go. Now, there we go. Where were we? Okay, so you can see you can use the 85 as the green wire. That's your trigger wire. So when you trigger that with the ground, the power will go from the 87A, which is the center terminal, and that's the yellow wire. There. Oops. There's the yellow wire. And it'll switch it from, where are we? Just a second. Maybe I can focus. Is there a manual focus on this? Is that better? Yeah. Maybe if I set it up here. There we go. Now, whoops. The wire in the way. So you can see here when the power comes to that 85, it actually switches from these two. You see how this one is not touching now, and this one is. Well, it switches that over. So just a real quick video on how to do it, and I've even got a diagram here for how the relays work. So, or just send me a message and ask me. I'm really eager to have some feedback, except for Ike Black. He can fuck off. But everyone else, keep those positive comments coming. So that's it for today. That's a quick video on a... Just can't seem to focus this. Maybe I need a better camera. That gets too far away. Okay, well, I'm sorry if... yeah, let's see. Nope. There you go. Get a good look. You could pause it on that and have a look, and then or if you buy a relay, I guess it'll have that on there. Anyway, this has been an episode of Kip's Quick Tips with Kip. I'm Kip, and this has been Quick Tips. I'm gonna get that right yet. I'm fucking terrible at that. Jesus.